Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Chit Chat with Ratan. Today I am going to talk about water. First I am going to tell you about top 10 benefits of drinking water. So first is water increases your energy level. It relieves fatigue. Water helps you to lose weight and it also helps you to boost up your metabolism rate. Water helps you to flush out your toxins from your body. Water helps you to make your skin look more clearer because it improves your skin. Water makes your bowel movement regularly. Also, it helps you to boost up your immune system. Water helps you to reduce headache. Also, water helps you to boost up your mood. Water prevents cramps. Also, water helps you to fight against bad breaths. So these are the top 10 benefits of drinking water. So let's talk about drinking water correctly. First I'm going to talk about cold water versus hot water or warm water. So it's always preferable to have warm water, lukewarm water, because it helps you to lose your weight faster and also it helps you to improve your digestion process. So if you drink lukewarm water, it's always advisable. Also, if you drink cold water from fridge, which is not good for your health, because when you drink cold water, it solidifies your fat and food into your body, and then ultimately it will be hard for your body to digest your food properly and to get rid of those toxins. So it's advisable don't to drink cold water from fridge. You know, when we come back from our work and we just feel so hot sometime in summer, we just open up the fridge and drink from the fridge like cold water. It's not advisable. If you drink cold water, it's hard for your body to absorb all the nutrients properly, and it solidifies your fat into the body. So it's always preferable to have lukewarm water. In summer, if you want to drink some cold water, for instance, and you don't want to drink warm water, so it's advisable to drink water from the earthen pot, which in our Indian language or Hindi language we called it as matka or ghada. So you can have water from ghada, matka, or earthen pot in English. So if you want to have cold water, but for health purpose and living a healthy lifestyle, it's always advisable to drink lukewarm water. But if you want to enjoy cold water in summer, then you can use your earthen pot water and drink that water. Other thing is, I will talk about sitting position or standing position of drinking water. So positions also matter. To avail, to not to avail means to get more benefit of drinking water. It's always better to drink water while you are sitting. So sit on your chair properly and have a sip by sip water. It will help you to lose your weight and it will absorb in your body properly and it is having lots of health benefits too, because if you stand and drink water, then it is a wrong way of drinking water. If you stand and drink water, it is a wrong way of drinking water, because it will lead to problems, joint pains, and it will lead to kidney problem as well. So always best and good way or correct way to drink water properly is sitting and having your sip water slowly, so that to get more benefits of your water in your life, in your healthy lifestyle. Other thing is confusing topic like timings of water. What time we should drink water? What is the right time of drinking water? How much water we should consume in a day? So the question is, see the timings of water I am going to tell you now, like in between meals. So you know the timings matter. So first is when you wake up in the morning, then drink at least 2 glasses of water before your breakfast, at least 1 hour before your breakfast. Also, second is between your meals. So before your meal, give a gap of 30 minutes. So 30 minutes before your meal you can drink water, and then give a gap of 30 minutes, then you can have your meal. And after your meal, give a gap of an hour, give a gap of an hour, to have your water after taking your meal. So after taking your meal, give a gap of an hour and then drink water. It will help you to digest your food quickly and faster and improve your digestive system and process. So this is the correct way of drinking water. I hope you like my video about the water benefit which I have just shared with you. So water benefits I have shared with you. I have teach you the correct way of the correct posture of drinking water, and also like what are the timings of drinking water correctly, and what is the difference, what is the how cold water doesn't help you and how warm water help you. I have teach you all that to learn that, and I have shared you the benefit because I want you to motivate here further that keep drinking water every day to stay healthy. It will not only help you to lose weight, it will also help you to digest your food properly, and also gives you lots of health benefits which I have shared with you. So if you like my effort to educate you all to learn how to live healthy naturally, please do like, comment in the comment section down below this video. Do subscribe my channel. Please do like, share this channel with your friends, your family, your relatives, your contacts, so that they also get the benefit out of my health tips video. Stay tuned. I will be posting my next video soon. Hopefully I will be thinking to share my home remedy for beauty tips which I use on myself past 3-4 years, and it gives me lots of health benefit which is related to my skin. And if you want to know the beauty tips, so please do watch out my next video. It will be I will be posting that video soon too. Please do like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Stay tuned, keep watching. All the best to you all. God bless you. Bye.